Now that one where you hear say, "In not the women make you men how you get matter where they give person how he on matter where a Facebook one or send no me go ne. What's the woman and me go boy advert hero? My man na well okay my wamureni ku wa we I don't mugie or don't go my way the price of the ya go my way ni or don't beg where a man can be video give my oh yeah they no see any woman na make monetize a red wa fun e ma wa claim video wa o ma be yan na wa claim o ma be yan na wa claim o ma be yan wa claim really eri ana shi eri ana ya we mi a yeah wa claim video o je mi ni kere ya mi ko e be o wa o su do akele ya be live video o bi na ba we ta wa be gun wa e gwere wa forgive me wa sin ya he just tell us say wa be sin ya let them go but since he release any animal to be ma be gbe negwe mama be gbe Facebook we now we get the job yeah, we ma claim it to be ando azobo. No, they not mention name. Wetin make guilty conscience can't drive you come out. Okay, because say na Frank I go give or you can't they think say I can't chop belefu, can't carry your matter go give Frank or we can't they gossip you. You understand me? I don't know where that thing come from. Rita say, no asunu, na we problem no ni wa mi na, problem ni wa mi na, Facebook ni problem. Me dey say din akare, okay are and all that. And when I watch your video, my darling sister Rita, when I watch your video, me ga gba ori eke, me ga ri na we ah. O ma igbelu video ko na owe bia. I cause it looks say ija. Nene ni gberu na because the way no ya go, the way no ya so, the way no ya we are beating a big baby, we are beating and we soon dieting. He bad way video na ya cover up with mana. Iya bogi one na a bit ori because the cry, the shouting was really out of. It was off. Now when me off. Now when me she left the track. She left the track. The cry was uncalled for. The shouting was uncalled for. The whole thing, the acting, what she acted was zero. It was uncalled for. Because many can know you so no. Any matani, ni me watani way your phone ya. I'm not saying you want to. I bet you not tell you go ya cover. Now you go cover ya. We want to we want latia. We what do I so we I am sorry to say, my darling sister, try and check yourself. You said you are a doctor because see to be sincere, you are very beautiful. You are beautiful and you are calm. When they look at your face, you are very calm. But you are when you so. Me only me bring back my face when you want and me get the real way because they me beg or different than we create. Emini me beg, I beg away. I see you responsible, gentle, learned, you know, wise. But where me yeah, man no face na wa ben na beg the real man ogun because they all you na me we wo ogun o ma me okwegun mana no wa strong give a na we ma wa gbegbe na awa beg ewe mana ma wa strong upper woman rogedi ma we anything ya mama na kwa usef ani no sie ni ma then me je eni so oge so ni amu ba me no sie ni because I will make gbegbe mu or what day okay with him ma but when we je ni so we woman darling o ma fit we egg we a freshness in the face we eni no woman fit we eni nu we ni emani re emani ru mo hu no kwa emani ru go emani ri pe eni mani awu ewu after how many years in abroad and you claim you are a doctor or you are still schooling, you are misbehaving. Or ma fit you who that like Facebook the way no ya or gati and no better you work be a vampire no we gbe no wa muela and ma fit you o ma fit you try no look decent your character get decent when gbe face you be weje on your fit you advice when you hear no once na be gbon ye man we try and check on yourself if you are depressed because some are not depressed or when you know we o wa baby you say je me that you go okwode ri ko na jia What's on we? Here's your oh my God, try and check yourself if something is going wrong with you. Because we know we left it I was ashamed. I was ashamed for you. I'm asking anywhere. Then let me leave that one. Let me leave that aside. My darling sister Rita, my beautiful sister Rita. Say, no way. I wasn't there. My husband told me that, hey, babe, hey, this woman, what did they call Rita? She just reached out to me or say they arrested her parents, say they did police station. Make him go help her, pay them. I was like, where is that coming from? Fine, we don't do social media, they beat us, they nyaga us, we don't master us, we don't do okay with it. We know the worry. You see this my skin. You see this my skin so. Now make me strong. So, but even if people they cause us, we are not friends to any of them. We not be where am I seek to that extent. We are not enemy. We can say hello, hi, but a friend in my seven on an action where I was not like okay, how come? Okay, but I'm not there around now. I'm not even if I there around, I know if you go, let me. I say even if you there around, my dear, I not go let you go because tomorrow now they'll come say now you go bail. Rita police station. When many the next thing ever do someone there. It's a gawe. La will go come on your body. Come on your body. No what it cause fight within them. As far as the year presenter, la video yari if I go to go where the was any to a belly rubbish way. I wait a presenter machine, a la video mabu, Matty ya belly then, ya tear bony, my tear bony, because my woman me go with the video. We know the two one like that, so we not go use body rub that kind of thing. Loud to the road, why you show, la what a man where. You know there so that was the end. Whether not for them the vaccination take come, I don't know because I remember I don't even know babe now it don't tell you say may you help and go bail the parents before it start to the saga easy I be those saga before it send you that message. I don't even know. I not gonna know the one where it happen, but one thing I know that there was a time when we and the easy get issue on this social media that she started sagaring easy. She started sagaring easy and people were not saying she's fighting for us. Then she by herself said it on live video that she is not fighting for us. Easy never final trouble for this social media. She can't play the video. Say now if the first final trouble, that time she don't get her time. So now when we are easy, don't get issue. Now you can't get her time. You can't say you want fight easy. All the time when you take do video, when you take say you they insult easy because of us, did I call you to tell you thank you? Did I even come to your live video to comment and say thank you? Did I do it? No, I did not. You know why? If matter come out for social media, let me not forget even una colleague, una co-presenter even called me to tell me, let me tell you something, my darling sister. You say this woman where they claim say they fight for una, so say they do. Now her money she they work, you know they fight for una. Make una get her for mind. Say now money she they work. Anytime she talk this video, she at the end of the day they go pay her. Now money she they work. So make una not just say she they una not just go close to this woman. Oh, this woman get her she take just say. Me, I don't get any presenter number apart from may I tell you that side. A power one I know say they call me daughter. Now I said get number before. I said me I don't know there. Oh, I don't know there. If I see a video I pass because I don't send anybody message. Now if two people they fight, let's come to reality. As a human being, not animal, as a human being. If two people they fight, even animals say they do one, they go enter inside, they begin separate fight. If two people they fight, the third person go come, the fourth person go say, "Mona leave fight." In the process of saying "Mona leave fight," some not go say leave fight, some go come, they go join this one. What you do not good. Some go come, they go join this one. What you do not good. But at the end of the day, people know who do bad. People know who do good for that matter. Even if people decide to join who do bad, say you do one well, because they say they hate the other one, they say you do one well. No, me say people will get human being sense, not know who do bad, not know who do good. But waiting go matter be say some people go come and say, "Mona rest for fight, Mona not fight again, Mona not fight again." You came in to say because easy don't fair offend you, you decide to join us, say you want fight easy, which I did call you for it, and I did not even call you to say, hey, busy kakabo, go make bell. Even as we speak, I see the talker. If there's any live video presenter, we say me, Esther. Even that time, we be say battle hot, yes. Fight day. Say me carry my phone, call and tell and say, I bet me beat her. It will do me, oh, information, beg. Not there. It not there. If they even come in sometimes, I'll say, Mona leave her, Mona leave there. Mona leave us, I beg. And I beg why. That's why they tell them. If not, at least as they hate me rich, therefore don't see my voice record. If voice record me, oh convoto. If voice record me, convoto. Is this not your voice record? When you tell me say so person, see information, beat her for me. So what I am trying to say is this. I'm not trying to say if people they beat me tomorrow, I not do anything. They say they want beat me. Say, oh, still like to say, why you know, make them not talk. If you say you don't want to talk put, nobody go come fight you. Nobody go come tell you say why you not talk put. If person beats me 1 week, 2 weeks, he no go tire. Yes, I don't lower. But when I was saga for 1 week, 2 weeks, egbe worry, because they sag your low, egbe must worry. So if you see whether they beat me, you can't look and say, this one whether they beat lady of socks, so she not do anything. You can't decide to say, make I still defend this lady. God bless you. Oh my God, they defend you where they matter. Yes, so. And then they only have kweku. Men kwekbina no hiasa we say. And then they only have kweku. Oh my, so nobody get one of to defend you where oh man, I'm aware you only. Eri me not gonna wase. You do good, you receive good. You do bad, you receive bad. Now so it be. So when it comes to social media, you own social media, they don't monetize your page. You own her like this. You the saga person. The person find trouble with the saga run. If they make your money, if that person still gets, you know, you go on. You go see saga, you go make him money. That is why I can tell you categorically today that you see all this saga that is going on Facebook. Whether presenter and co-presenter is sagaring themselves, or they are sagaring musician, or they are sagaring a normal person whatsoever. I know they can't them as anything. I know they see as anything. I they see as play. Me wale we kunya jenyaku. Iya wale gualigo. Iya sisi imunia no. Iya wale when ya migo. Because you will see this presenter today, they are fighting. Tomorrow they are settled. So now the way of they are making their money, don't be surprised tomorrow the worst enemy on social media tomorrow they will still settle. That is okay. They will still settle. So I know they can't say anything. Hey, yeah, back now the way hey, they know what I'm making. I'm there. If this one said this one, I've been an lawa. They can't know what say. They too mawa. I will present us in now. All of them be one. They be the same. The little thing where they take difference, say some get sense person. Sense in the so anyway, or here we normally no keke, or we no ma keke, and they so what you know be doing man be matter you want to matter raw. On ya luga. But when it comes to fighting, they are all the same. If they want fight you, they don't look back. If they want fight you, then they go fight you, my dear. Not to say because they are different or this or different, you do bad, they don't fight you, they'll fight you. Some days I will say you not do anything. Because of it we are the fans. So almost the same thing. Let me use that word. Then Rita, my sister, where it might be for I won't lie because a boy that sick for a year, when I reply, but any damn or a one here on it be. Who will not a marry, egite talo. Irritated love, irritated. It will not marry me. Even that I'm was up by now where a music. I will not a music is a good job. No salobari can menu. And I'm happy that I'm a musician because they see my way music. Their music you where because a musician I will probably figure here we are aware and everything. Then in a musician. Allah. Maybe I for be one of the people who go wear pants and bra. I'll call they do live video. I for be one of those people. And I never see any of them will go beat me for saga. I not see. If you say you they do saga, say you want saga lady of song. Say I not be musician. Say I be normal person. You know he beat me for saga. But because of my person, again where I go talk just now. Say enter don't do. Enter don't do. In here we kumela wa. He said he go on. Because either maybe Jane wa kokome say in ya ma kokome we wa teme ma e ma na teme ma me boy nika ati wa do no ne we de mi atama either maybe Jane ma kokome we di yo ani be tamu wa agbeu e hweki e ihi o ma no ka du eki ni abi wa ma ka e story me idweki ze idweki nika dikele dade kini e keto rekio sani madam me rekio sabe na gwana o wa yere ba wa la first lay ni first deliver madam me yere ba ya mi wa bi fie ni man so kwe marriage na gba so I not see any, I don't know why now come they look me say because say she dey do music why oh I get I dey add respect to my name me record you me be but there are so many people no a fancy me normal like Kevin no ton ni o wa beg ba wa so avie little so don't dey sorry oh wa avie then me why drop or wa call why did you do that one of my mother don't daughter me because of this live video or this daughter me or wa Australia oje o my tell me there e me live video na no I said you should not answer them again you don't used to listen to me o me call me there na wo maje egui self-worth. I try to add down to it, but sometimes you will keep self-worth. You will still let them know say not be the top pass. So my sister, who will not say on done law, but they don't know what they will say. What done was I be was what done was what's your tallow you will be when not tallow, what's your G you will be because what worry to hate was you now. I didn't make sure your name. My husband didn't make sure your name, but you came out to let them know that you are the one we were talking to, and you want to come and prove it. You want to come and deny it. It may tell me when I will you are a criminal. Fire go burn your nyash. You are a thief. You know go ahead. Oh, your boss. Oh, him. Rubbish. Was ye go well at you? Because they to fake all la wa. Una fe ko one way since yan we them that means we many way they thief their video so not be let me you want the oye who wears the video ya many who ma ko say imo pa who get mienu je na una do pretend do aba sweve eve o wa ba do avieve o igbina nu gbina ni ya they will pay are you mad do anu gbina na kokobiri do anu gbina na tie bogyo da fi me I don't want me where for social love because to start with other we marry me or where is woman or Wortoworto I came and Wortoworto when we Wortoworto how you take day Wortoworto tell me how you take day Wortoworto when we man have new year to know you when we po we no be ama have okay e bo me ovie tu pa yo ware u se we po u mamie po o mamie ovie to wo me u mamie mi ovie Nigeria o me ami owi gbo ami owi I'm your Biansa, I'm your Calabar. When Mammy no give me over Nigeria. When I am here with Ivie, I am Miri, and anyway, Yamu, no it one way. Name my enemy, Yeke, or you are to do it at the smoke. I get it. Oh, you are Kakos. We're getting on that way. Oh, ye baba, and then no for you, oh, why ye baba, they are nori. When they call me to here, if we are present, where they go no more, choir master, or work choir master. A big choir master, no tafu where move where no address say, are you stupid? Wazu no wasted beauty. Wasted beauty. Wasted beauty. Wasted beauty where. Wasted, and it's so painful. Okay, let damn. Imo moseni we moseni. Yes, school by Ugaita, when in my year school, now let me out. Okay, no, don't matter me where in my year school, Let me tell you, my dear, they when not finish with the work like we boy and basha won and what they were. You not finish. Memakata move when I wear SS2 not drop out. SS2 ain't not drop out. No man, a rebel color ye popo. And what be yen in the mouth. Now what? No na zuwa nene gwa mwekwe oje popo okame je popo e traja la odo luwo fun kiana na no gbe o agbogo da fun eni ibi dressing gbe agbon we ma in my year school na learn ma in my year school emi ni megbe we wo ma gun megbon ya emi we ni megbe Facebook du wo ma ogun megbon eto e ya pin hu eto Gbin one. Gbin one. Me here man no come in one yere de Moarie studio.
They can sing for studio.
Man no come in one yere de Moarie studio. Yes, studio ya so ni me. Gbin one ya igbon ejo ya gbon ebi ni eto ya igbon ne ima me like e cancel egbon ya igbon ne ya mu studio be ya sin one. Ave film ya no mieri mara awu ni ma uni na me dey write the story. O ma me tell story mame. A story I put opolematic ben. It's your own way bonona. More ben a story. I taught in a teaching me when I yak ben a story here. When I yak bin wire. I teach them. I drop out in SS2. Menoma yes my university. I can read and write. If you any bony, we go work color. Yes, if color your peer lake come. Let's get to be. Hona gweta we mani my yes school. As if you were yes school say me. Traveling is part of education. On in Europe. Una keba le te woni on wo je na you call you everybody. You call you. Europe. You are a disgrace. You are a shame. Hana ki we agoda fi me gun. Adere we ai we. Na one ma ya wa arobi no man ma ya wa go ma gun and everything. When I make away, we want a marshal, we want a memoir, when I was when we are so it's either who get or the from no go away a belly, a visual majo, either no social way, or again, my visit ya settle, who again my visit settle, or una lawe be Morocchino, okay, Morocchino, or una lawe be a fanny, una do a fee where. Here settle ne igbinani and the same thing yetana where igbinaya no gbinani ma ima do boy say as if for ma tie wejo we gani ya digbina no gbina ekebani pa na mo e video ya no ehunu ya robi ma magu we gun ke nu ke robi ma gani ate I blocked you. I won't lie. He block you and you know I block you. He wa block you well le ya fefe immediately me le wuso arobi ma ne Usman man egbe kan we ne dari man le list settle or maybe o ge hun e ge hun because obenu ya ge hun e nu ya ge hun no manager o je be agun o je be ati yo man normal e keni ke observe we was ma ba list settle e ba make observe o ma de be go okay exactly e ba ni make e ba nu ke so am me gbe likiaye e gwa ge so am me gbe likiaye ne Wabuni block video wa egbu na no na self as I dey block tu na wa na I block you but may I tell you as I sit to see you my normal Facebook where is you open for me where you take attach on my page if I enter that Facebook I go jam you for there e right na me we ya wa me we wa to lem bura who leje ma only way I can't wash you ono na awati me umabere kini Rita doa all of you wasin mata ina wa gege wa log here Facebook ni ina wa hina to ta ina wash ina go wash about 10 minutes abi 15 minutes yet wash it and let me come and advise you he do advise you e ke ni maya we marriage e me ma lawe gbe e period ni maya we marriage
yo pa o so re lo
eso ni ya maya o me re sin gbeyan wi me yan na le to biyan se gbeyan la ja be to gbelegbe because in my belly no pa ni aye tayo me gbe if you want call me wish you are free to call me wish if you want call me babalawo you are very free to call me babalawo if you want call me ashawo you are free husband snatcher everything you are free to call me you are free iguijo now in beja me na yesin oju na sin ashawo na sin oge na sin emi ma ne gbe me nwe ki ma ne gbe me so eneme yanuga u kedero ade talking down not and talking not without mama when no way I was seeing the video he se go to level gbera because of son me emi etin do ruwa me la video wan sawe ina we only watch gbera e ma wa tare mommy Rita re ge enenu asati maka ge wo hunujo ize yo we but do to ya mo egbo la general Rita Rita you want to insult my husband we are no more with wa we are no rio kweva no kweva no sekpe no mo sefo neki gwo obo kweva no mazu wa kweva no galanty no gwa hozo we can do guya we can do god that fian gwa o maka tota no god that fon we no rie we jogwa ne no ge do gwa gbon o a spirit we ya mare we ka we show we je we ya Rita as a sister ya vesti we na we show we je wiyan ne ya ge the spirit don't make ka wu we wiyan because o ma be manage be ni ya ge o na spirit so you no ka wu ne we show try do my job because he love you when I advise you try do my je wiyan jo anu wa be je wiyan ne make sure wo wiyan re we are gere we are your way until the we are family we are family yan no carbon not say a family we no ya dey sure wo ma ka ewu because you are married to spiritual. No matter what time when the spirit will marry on now assess your husband when it comes to quality gallant swag now let's assess our husband more wearing more marry na more you talk na presentable husband you dey talk about are you okay eti wa savage level na ti wa savage level na be mature momo no that day no ma mi hero savage your wedge eti wa savage na employ when we do bi bata ti wa savage o ni opologbe nu we nu ade ekitare no rekopado re nu akwo wa fi do neula lo etu we ki agogo o no la letu we ki agogo what is it called our this boy no you American hip hop get the most Michael Jackson or Janet Jackson. Big people so that great people. How many governors? How many great people? We understand him now. Or is it when no say man that for man mean no well. Then let me tell you now, Ashawo is written all over your face. Igbe aga no go no gbe po e ko ma je fun won. They talk about another person husband big when you say you they say you marry awa and because we no areki akin say man marry obiedu wa we ki no make na fu egbe na fu egbe awa nu we jinu we ya ro ere na e to fu egbe o aye mi no da we say ya pay jo as you claim who marry now when you tell because for me I dey look you like a shower waiting dey road you never marry because when mama marry when mama marry man no ga ka woman akin we ya marry spirit we wari ku me be jeme ga no we wari ku me ga bi egbete ne do fian me o ikuri edian yan ari edian yi na ba be ti oge Rita na da fun e do fian me o etere ìyá wa gbèdé èlámà gbogbooro gbogbo ìgbò kó iná lè tìyà where at least wọ́n máa mú where wọ́n máa mú Rita bá ṣinú ra ẹ̀dá mi bú bá ṣinú ra women rights, let me tell you now, as far as